In this video, we'll walk you through how to factory reset Windows 11 to its default settings. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. This is especially useful if you plan to sell your computer or simply want to start fresh. Just keep in mind that this will erase all your data, so it's a good idea to back up any important files, photos, videos, or anything else you want to keep. To begin, click the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and open the Settings menu. Then, on the left side, select System. Scroll down until you see the Recovery option and click on it. Next, under the Recovery Options section, find Reset this PC and click on it. You'll be prompted with a couple of choices. Select Remove Everything, as this will fully reset your PC. The next step is to decide how to reinstall Windows. For this guide, we'll choose Local Reinstall. You'll be shown a summary of what will happen during the reset. After reviewing, click Next. Finally, you'll see a list of actions the reset will take. Keep in mind that this process may take some time, and your PC will restart multiple times. Once you're ready, click Reset, and the process will begin. That's it. After the reset is complete, your PC will be back to its default state.